Okay, everybody, if you ever seen this type bug in your yard, it's called a leaf-footed bug. You need to get it out of your garden because it will suck the life out of your plants. I've seen that it has attacked my tomato plants, and they're sucking all the blooms. Whenever you see any blooms come up, they go and attack the blooms and suck the life out of your blooms, and you never get any crops to produce. So you got to get these out of your garden. And they lay little baby ant-like, red little ant-like babies, and they attack your fruit plants and tomato plants. They say tomato and bell peppers they like, and any fruits that have pomegranates too. I heard they attack them a lot. So we got to get these out of your garden. Oh, and beans too, and I've seen them attacking beans. Anything that they can see that has a bloom growing on it, they're going after it. So you will never have your plant to produce the production that you're waiting on, because they have sucked the life out of it. And you can see they have killed my poor tomato plants over here. I'm waiting for these tomatoes to produce, but they have attacked them. And I've seen that on several channels. The best way to get them out your garden is to spray them with soapy water. And I've seen people where they have taken cups of soapy water and knocked them in the soapy water, and they have drowned. So I'm going to, they say there's no way you can really get rid of them. But I'm gonna go and water these down real good with some soapy water. And I end up adding some baking soda in there too. So I really try to kill them all. But you need to get these leaf-footed bugs out of your garden, or they're gonna kill the life of your plants. And they babies, when they lay the babies, they look like little turds that they have laid in your garden. And I saw them and I said, what animal done came and took a dump in my garden bed? And that was them laying they eggs. So we got to get these leaf-footed bugs out of your garden, or they're gonna kill your plants, and you won't have any fruits producing for you. So let me get busy here watering down these plants with the soap and see if I can kill these bugs that's killing my plants. Okay, drown, bug, drown. He trying to get that soap off of him. Okay. Do what you can to get rid of these bugs out of your garden.